Welcome to day 2 of this training. The objective for today's lesson is setting up internet connection to ensure smooth running of the network on our devices. And in this video, I will be showing you how to set up an internet connection on your device. And in order to do that, we need an application called Settings on our device. This is the setting app showing on my screen, and that is where we will be doing the settings we need. So, but before we start with the settings, there are two things you need to ensure they are available on your smartphone in order to make it browse. The first thing is a SIM card. You need to ensure you have a SIM card on your phone. And the second one is data. You need to have data on your balance, on your SIM card balance in order to. So once the two things are available, then you are good to make your phone browse. So now let's go to the settings app and go to network and internet. Then the next thing here, you go to SIMs. Under here you see the SIM cards that are available on your phone, and the two SIM on this device presently is Glo and MTN. So you select the SIM card you have data available on, the SIM card you want to use for your browsing, which is Glo in this case. And once you are here, you scroll down to check for the settings. Here you will see the setting for mobile data. That is, you will see this setting is on. That is, the data for this SIM card Glo is on. So this is where you turn it on. And there are other ways to also turn this on again, is through the mobile data here. So then another setting we want to ensure we do here is the preferred network type. So want to make sure we have the highest network type here. So here we have 4G, 3G, 2G, 3G and 2G, and 3G only and 2G only. So the 2G is the lowest network type we have here, followed by 3G, followed by 4G. So if it is on 2G network, then it means this phone network type is on 2G, and the 2G is the slowest network type we have, so we can't afford to make our network very slow while we are working. So this 2G will be very slow. So we have this 3G. This 3G is a little bit faster than the 2G network, and here also we have 3G or 4 or 2G. So this option will make the phone automatically select the network type, considering the present condition of the network. There are sometimes that the network itself, the network itself used to be slow. So if there is no much network, if the phone is on 3G, then automatically it will change the network type to 2G so that it can still function even though it's going to be slow. But if it is on 3G only, it will only work on 3G. If there is no network that is strong enough for the phone to carry 3G network, then it means your network will not work. Now the next one is 4G, 3G, 2G auto. So this will automatically select the preferred network from either 4G, 3G, 2G. So that is, if there is strong network, it will be working on 3G. And if the network is not strong enough to work for, it will be working for 4G rather. And if the network is not strong enough to work for 4G, then it will automatically switch it to 3G. If the 3G is not working as well, is not strong enough to carry 3G, then it will automatically switch it to 2G. So what this function is doing is, it just want to ensure that no matter the condition of the network in your environment or in your area where you are located, it will still have access to the internet no matter how small. So I always leave this network to 4G, 3G, 2G auto, so that it can automatically select the preferred network for me and always ensure I have internet connection no matter how small or how slow it's going to be. So, and then you have this option here that says automatically select network. You ensure that this is on so that the system will automatically select the network that will be okay for you. And then the last option we have here is access point name. So let's go into it and see the access point we have. So this is an APN setup for network. So there are two types here. If you click on it, Glo Mobile Internet, you will see how the access point is being set. So you have the name Glo Mobile Internet, APN Glo Flat, proxy is not set, port is not set, username is flat. Then the password again will also be flat. The same thing you have on the username. Then all other things are set automatically. You don't have to touch them. So once all of this is here, you can save. Then here again you have another type of APN, Glo NG. So this is another one set up here. So the reason why we have all these APNs here under access points is that if one is not working, you can easily switch to another. If that one is still not working, then you can go back to select the previous one. And if you have any APN you want to set up yourself, then you have this plus icon at the top right corner side. You click on it, set up the name, the APN, the proxy, the port, username and password. But on a normal day, every SIM card used to come with a normal APN setup on the phone, so you don't have to mess up with this if you want to make sure you have internet connection on your phone. So then let's go back, and with all this you have your preferred network selected, you have your mobile data on, and you have this use SIM card on, so it means you are good to go. And then another thing you want to be sure of is this light sign showing. This light sign is showing my phone have access to internet, and when I come here, turn off the mobile data, then I will see that the light sign has disappeared. It means my phone does not have access to internet connection currently. And now let me go back to turn it on so that I can have access to internet connection. So you can see it shows 3G, not light. It means the condition of my environment network now is going to work perfectly on 3G. Whenever you see it shows to light, it means that is 4G network. And if it is 2G is working with, you will still see the 2G there showing. So this is how to set up your internet connection. And now that I have shown you how to set up your internet connection, then it's time for me to show you what you are expected to do for today's lesson. So what you will do is to set up the internet connection of your device and go to Chrome browser and search for anything on Google. So once you're able to do that, then you need to submit something for your work to show the evidence for your work, which is you need to make a screenshot showing the phone data balance on your phone. Then you make another screenshot showing what you search for the internet, showing what you search from the internet. So, and once you have gotten those two screenshots, then you are expected to send the two screenshots to the number showing on my screen on WhatsApp, this number. So see you in the next lesson.